lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be quickly showing you guys how I like to make my keto approved bulletproof coffee here at home. I like to use this brand here, Rapid Fire Ketogenic Coffee, and I do get this from my Walmart. I think it's about between $14 and $15 at my local Walmart, but it's come in powder form. And I like this coffee. It tastes pretty good on its own, but the main thing I like is that it has the organic grass-fed butter already in it. It already has the MCT oil already in it, and it has the Himalayan salt in it. So I don't necessarily need to do anything special to this other than mix it up, and you could, like it says here, you can serve it hot or cold, whatever's your preference. I like to make it hot, so I'm about to go ahead and put on some hot water, and I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, I have my hot water here, and since I'm always mostly drinking my coffee on the go, I like to go ahead and package it up in some small containers. That way, if I'm in a rush, all I have to do is, come in, cut on my hot water real quickly, make my hot water, pop one of these, and I don't have to, take the time to measure it out because I already have it measured out. And my measurements for this is 2 tablespoons of this powder, and I add it to 8 ounces of hot water. Next, to mix it up, I like to use my milk frother. I use it for everything, to froth my coffees and mix. Next, I like to add my stevia, and I got this from my Walmart as well. And the serving size for this is half a teaspoon, but I like to use a whole teaspoon in my coffee. So I'm going to take a teaspoon. And then I like to take my vanilla Torani syrup, sugar-free syrup. And the serving size for this is, 2 tablespoons. And of course, can't forget our fats. We need our heavy whipping cream, right? So, 1 tablespoon. I'm going to add 1 more. I'm going to mix all of that. Now, I'm going to take my good old sugar-free whipping cream, whipped cream. I don't measure this, and sometimes I do get carried away, just like I just did today. But guys, this is how I make my bulletproof coffee, and I hope you guys enjoyed this easy and simple keto approved bulletproof coffee recipe. And until next time, you guys already know, I love you, love bugs.